back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here, and I'm so sorry that I haven't been able to put out a tutorial in a while. It's been a little crazy. We had the Christmas rush, and for those of you who don't know, I opened my first storefront, which has been so exciting, but obviously has kept me very busy. So please forgive me while I kind of adjust to taking on more work. But it's been such a blessing, and I'm so excited about it. So having said that, I'm ready to jump back into videos, and this video is just a quick little fun unpacking video. I was contacted by Techwrap about a month ago to go ahead and try some of their vinyl, so I've been so excited to give this a try. In this video, you'll kind of just see some fun things that they had sent me to try, and then the next couple videos I will show you how we do it like on a cold cup and those cool glass coffee cups that you've been seeing all around with some color changing vinyl, and it's just been really fun to work with. So I hope you enjoy this little video. Stay tuned for the next couple of tutorials coming out, and then we'll start working on some spring projects, because I don't know about you, but winter's fun, but I'm ready for some spring. So we're gonna start working on some of that. If you have any questions, as always, let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to come to Facebook, follow us, and join our group, Karly's Creations, Tumblers, and more. We have a lot of fun over there, and we just have a really fun group. So I hope you join us, and in the meantime, let's get started.